Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Desire is the starting point of all achievement. The starting point of all achievement is definiteness of purpose. Success requires no explanation. Failure permits no alibis. Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. Opportunity often comes disguised in the form of misfortune or temporary defeat. Every adversity, every failure, every heartache carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. Effort only fully releases its reward after a person refuses to quit. No one is ready for a thing until they believe they can acquire it. The person who stops studying merely because they have finished school is forever hopelessly doomed to mediocrity. Success comes to those who become success conscious. Your big opportunity may be right where you are now. The ladder of success is never crowded at the top. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. You are the master of your destiny. You can influence, direct, and control your own environment. Every person who wins in any undertaking must be willing to burn their ships and cut all sources of retreat. If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. Success is not the result of making money. Making money is the result of success. One of the most common causes of failure is the habit of quitting when one is overtaken by temporary defeat. Patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. The best way to sell yourself to others is first to sell yourself to yourself. The starting point of all achievement is desire. Every person who wins in any undertaking must be willing to cut all sources of retreat. Success is not measured by what you have, but by what you have become. The majority of men meet with failure because of their lack of persistence in creating new plans to take the place of those that fail. Education comes from within. You get it by struggle and effort and thought. Self-discipline begins with the mastery of your thoughts. Success requires no apologies. Failure permits no alibis. Before success comes in any person's life, they are sure to meet with much temporary defeat. The only limit to the realization of your dreams is the size of your thinking. Successful people make decisions quickly and change them slowly. Set your mind on a definite goal and observe how quickly the world stands aside to let you pass. Success in life is based on the quality and quantity of service you render. Every person who wins in any undertaking must be willing to burn their ships and cut all sources of retreat. Your big opportunity may be right where you are now. The mastermind principle consists of an alliance of two or more minds working in perfect harmony for the attainment of a common definite objective. Weak desires bring weak results, just as a small fire makes a small amount of heat. Success comes to those who become success conscious. Every adversity carries within it the seed of equal or greater benefit. The person who gives up when the going gets tough is the person who will never achieve their dreams. Desire. The starting point of all achievement is desire. Desire is the starting point of all great movements and achievements. If you do not see riches in your imagination, you will never see them in your bank balance. Weak desire brings weak results, just as a small fire makes a small amount of heat. Desire is the motive power of the mind. It is the mainspring that impels one to action. Faith. Faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Faith is the thing which makes real the things which we hope for and gives evidence of the things which we do not see. Faith is the power which enables us to see the invisible and to achieve the impossible. Faith is the only thing which can give us certainty in the midst of uncertainty. Faith is the only thing which can enable us to overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. Imagination. Man can create anything which he can imagine. Man's only limitation, within reason, lies in his development and use of his imagination. Ideas are the beginning point of all fortunes. Ideas are the products of imagination. If you cannot see the thing you want in your imagination, you will never see it in your reality. The man who can do great things is the man who can dream great dreams. Unorganized knowledge. Knowledge is only potential power. It becomes power only when it is organized into definite plans of action and directed to the achievement of specific ends. Knowledge is of no value unless it is used. Knowledge is not power until it is applied. The man who knows how to apply his knowledge is the man who gets ahead in the world. Knowledge is the foundation of all power. Decision. Indecision is the thief of opportunity. The man who cannot make decisions is doomed to failure. The world belongs to the man who decides to act and then acts. The time is always right to do what is right. He who hesitates is lost. Persistence. No one ever is defeated until defeat has been accepted as reality. Where failure is experienced, it is the individual, not the method, which has failed. If you try and fail, make another effort and still another until you succeed. A quitter never wins and a winner never quits. Persistence is an essential factor in the procedure of transmuting desire into its monetary equivalent. Riches do not respond to wishes. They respond only to definite plans, backed by definite desire through constant persistence. I hope you like a video. Thanks for watching.